Welcome to our tutorial on how to trade Forex on PLUS500 in 2025. If you're looking into dive into the exciting world of Forex trading, you have come to the right place. Today we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started on PLUS500, a popular platform for trading Forex CFDs. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to create an account on PLUS500. Visit their website and sign up. Once your account is verified, make sure to deposit funds to start trading. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the platform interface, which is user-friendly and accessible from any device. Once you're logged in, head over the Trade tab. Here you can either search for a specific Forex pair or browse through categories. For instance, if you believe the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, you'd look for the euro or USD pair. Now that you have selected your Forex pair, click on buy or sell depending on your market prediction. You will need to specify the amount you wish to trade. PLUS500 allows you to set up stop orders. These are essential risk management tools that let you automatically close your position at a certain price level. To protect your investment, consider using tools like close at profit or close at loss. These features help manage your risk by ensuring that your trade closes automatically when they reach certain profit or loss thresholds. For those looking to enhance their trading strategy, explore the advanced order features. You can set future orders that execute when a specific price is reached. This can be particularly useful for capitalizing on market movements without constant monitoring. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basic knowledge to start trading Forex PLUS500. Remember, a practice makes perfect. Consider using a demo account first. If you're new for trading, always stay informed about market trends and manage your risks wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy trading.